we'll see what happens. Some hot chow in there. Yeah, I'm gonna put them all in there and just watch the miracle of this shrinking down. I hope it does. I'm hoping. All right, my friend Cece, all that vegetable. Yes, all those vegetables of pop chow and collard greens.